What if I told you that the very first artificial intelligence couldn't learn, couldn't remember, and couldn't improve? Yet it still completely changed history. This is Reactive Machine AI, the true origin of artificial intelligence, and the story of how it all began. Reactive Machine AI is the most basic, fundamental form of artificial intelligence. Its name says it all. It only reacts to what's happening right now. It has no memory of the past, no ability to learn from experience, and it can't adapt its behavior. It simply follows a set of pre-programmed rules. Think of it as a master of the present moment, because it doesn't get bogged down by past events or future possibilities. It's incredibly fast, totally predictable, and extremely reliable. It just sees the current situation and makes a decision based on the rules it was given. No second guessing, no hesitation. So how do these reactive machines actually work? It's simpler than you might think. These systems operate on fixed rules or algorithms created by humans. They analyze the situation directly in front of them and respond immediately. You interact with them every single day. A vending machine, for example, doesn't remember what you bought last time. It just reacts to the buttons you press now. An automatic door doesn't recognize you. It just reacts to the motion it detects. Even a thermostat doesn't know you like it cooler in the evenings. It just reacts to the current room temperature. They don't store memories of your preferences. They just react. It has a beautifully simple and effective design that forms the backbone of many technologies we take for granted. The most famous and, perhaps most dramatic example of reactive AI is IBM's Deep Blue. Back in 1997, this machine shocked the entire world. It faced off against the reigning chess world champion Garry Kasparov, and it won. This was a monumental moment in history. But here's the fascinating part. Deep Blue did not learn from Kasparov's playing style or adapt its strategy during the game. Instead, it used its immense processing power to calculate millions of possible moves per second, evaluating each one based on pre-programmed chess logic. It was pure, brute force, reactive intelligence. Deep Blue wasn't thinking like a human. It was calculating outcomes with lightning speed, and that was enough to defeat the best human player on the planet. So, what are the biggest strengths of this type of AI? First, its response is instantaneous. There's no delay for processing past data. Second, its behavior is perfectly predictable. If you give it the same input, you will always get the same output, which is crucial for systems where consistency is key. This leads to its third strength, high reliability. And finally, because it doesn't store data, it's highly secure. There's no memory to hack or compromise. In stable, predictable environments where the rules don't change, reactive AI is practically unbeatable. It does its specific job perfectly, every single time. However, reactive AI has some very serious limitations. This is the reason it can't evolve on its own. The biggest weakness is its complete lack of learning. It can't improve from its mistakes or successes. It has no sense of context beyond the immediate present. And because of this, it can't adapt to new or changing situations. If you put a reactive AI in a complex, dynamic environment, it will quickly fail because its rigid, pre-programmed rules won't be enough to handle the unexpected. This is precisely why modern AI had to evolve beyond this simple foundation, leading to the development of more advanced systems with memory and learning capabilities. But don't think for a second that reactive AI is a thing of the past. Even today, in 2025, reactive machines are absolutely everywhere. They are the workhorses of the modern world. Think about the industrial robots on an assembly line performing the same precise task thousands of times a day, or the traffic control systems that manage the flow of cars based on real-time sensor data. Even many of your home appliances, from your microwave to your dishwasher, operate on reactive principles. They are chosen for tasks where we need something simple, fast, and completely dependable. So, why does understanding this basic form of AI still matter today? Because it helps us appreciate just how far artificial intelligence has come. Every advanced AI system we have now, from self-driving cars to sophisticated language models, stands on the shoulders of these early, simple machines. Reactive AI was the necessary first step, the solid foundation upon which everything else was built. It had no memory, but it made a massive and lasting impact on our world. Reactive Machine AI may seem simple by today's standards, but it was the revolutionary first step toward creating truly intelligent machines. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments. Do you think AI needs memory to be considered truly intelligent? See you next time.